Amsterdam is a city that's rich in culture, history, and beauty. With its picturesque canals, world-famous museums, and vibrant nightlife, there's never a dull moment in this city. To help you make the most of your trip, we've put together a 7-day itinerary that will take you to some of Amsterdam's most famous and hidden gems. When to visit? Spring. Spring is a popular time to visit Amsterdam, as the weather is mild, the flowers are in bloom, and the city's parks and gardens come to life. This is also the peak tourist season, so be prepared for crowds and high prices. Summer. Summer is the warmest and busiest time of the year in Amsterdam, with long days, outdoor events, and plenty of tourists. This is a great time to enjoy the city's outdoor spaces and waterways, but be prepared for high prices and crowded attractions. Fall. Fall is a great time to visit Amsterdam. As the crowds have diminished, the weather is still mild, and the autumn colors provide a beautiful backdrop for the city. This is also the time of year when the city's cultural institutions such as museums and theaters come back to life after the summer break. Winter. Winter is the quietest time of year in Amsterdam, with fewer tourists and shorter days. While the weather can be cold and damp, this is a great time to visit the city's indoor attractions, such as museums and coffee shops. Winter also marks the start of the holiday season in Amsterdam, with festive lights and events throughout the city. Where to stay? Budget-friendly options. If you're looking for budget-friendly options, consider staying in the Jordaan or De Pijp neighborhoods. Both areas offer affordable accommodations and are within easy reach of some of Amsterdam's top attractions. Here are 3 budget-friendly hotels in these areas. Hotel to Stay, Flying Pig Downtown, and Citizen M Amsterdam City. Mid-range options. For a more comfortable stay, consider staying in the Amsterdam Centrum or the Canal Belt neighborhoods. These areas offer mid-range accommodations with easy access to the city's top attractions. Here are 3 mid-range hotels in these areas: The Graduate, Sir Adam Hotel, and Hotel de Holland. Luxury options. For a truly luxurious experience, consider staying in the Museum Quarter neighborhood. These areas offer top-notch accommodations and are within easy reach of some of Amsterdam's best museums and galleries. Here are 3 luxury hotels in these areas: Waldorf Astoria Amsterdam, the Dillon Amsterdam, and Intercontinental Amstel Amsterdam. Day 1. Start your day with a visit to the Anne Frank House, $13. This museum is located in a former warehouse where Anne Frank and her family hid from the Nazis during World War II. Here you'll learn about Anne's life and see the rooms where she wrote her famous diary. Walk to Dam Square, which is a central square in Amsterdam, famous for its royal palace, national monument, and the Newkerk Church. Visit the Albert Cup Market, a lively outdoor market that sells everything from fresh produce and flowers to clothing and souvenirs. End your day with a relaxing canal boat tour, $20. This tour will take you through Amsterdam's famous canals and provide you with a unique perspective of the city. Day 2. Visit the Van Gogh Museum, $22, which is dedicated to the works of the famous Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. Walk to the Rijksmuseum, which is dedicated to Dutch art and history, and features works by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and many others. Enjoy lunch at one of the nearby restaurants, around $15 to $20. End your day by visiting the Heineken Experience, a brewery tour and interactive exhibit about the history and brewing process of Heineken beer. Day 3. Take a walk to the Jordaan neighborhood, which is famous for its narrow streets and canals. Visit the Westerkerk Church and enjoy the view from its tower, $6. Have lunch at a local market, such as the Noorder Market, around $10 to $15. Walk to 9 Streets for some shopping and browsing in unique boutiques. Day 4. Start the day with a visit to the Amsterdam Museum, which tells the story of the city from its origins to the present day. Walk to the Artis Royal Zoo, $23. Have a picnic in Vandel Park, Amsterdam's largest park. End the day with a visit to the Stedelijk Museum, which showcases modern and contemporary art, including works by Pablo Picasso, Vincent van Gogh, and others. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Let us know if you subscribed by commenting "I subscribed" along with how many countries you have visited. Day 5. Take a train to Haarlem, $6, a charming town just 15 minutes from Amsterdam. Visit the Frans Hals Museum, which is dedicated to the works of the Dutch Golden Age painter Frans Hals. Have lunch at a local restaurant. End the day by visiting the Tailors Museum, the oldest museum in the Netherlands, featuring a collection of natural history, geology, and artifacts. Day 6. Take a bike tour of Amsterdam, $35, and explore the city's hidden gems. Visit the Museum Het Schip, a museum dedicated to the Amsterdam School architectural movement. Have lunch in the Pipe neighborhood, a diverse and vibrant area famous for its street markets and ethnic cuisine. Visit the Tropen Museum, a museum dedicated to the cultural history and diversity of the people of the Dutch East Indies and other tropical regions. Day 7. Spend the morning at the Allard Pearson Museum, which is dedicated to the archaeology and history of ancient civilizations. Visit the Hermitage Amsterdam, a museum showcasing exhibitions from the Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg, Russia. End your trip with a visit to the Nemo Science Museum, a science museum aimed at kids and adults that offers hands-on exhibits and interactive displays. How to get around. Biking. Amsterdam is a bike-friendly city, and biking is a great way to see the city's sights and get around quickly. You can rent a bike from one of many rental shops around the city. Walking. Amsterdam is a compact city, and many of the popular attractions are within walking distance of each other. Walking is a great way to see the city and enjoy the sights, sounds, and atmosphere of Amsterdam's neighborhoods. Trams. Amsterdam's tram system is extensive and efficient, and a great way to get around the city. Trams run frequently and cover many of the city's main tourist attractions. Canal boats. Canal boat tours are a popular and scenic way to see the city, and some boats offer hop-on, hop-off services, allowing you to explore different parts of the city at your own pace. Taxis. Taxis are available in Amsterdam, but they can be expensive. They are best used for short trips or for getting to destinations that are not easily accessible by other modes of transportation. Tips. Watch for water. Amsterdam is known for its canals, and it's important to be mindful of them when walking or biking around the city. Some bridges can be steep and narrow, and it's important to be cautious when crossing them. Be mindful of pickpockets. Like any major city, Amsterdam is home to pickpockets and other type of thieves. Be mindful of your belongings, especially when traveling on public transportation or in crowded areas. iAmsterdam City Card. If you plan on visiting Amsterdam for more than one day, you may find value in buying the iAmsterdam City Card. This card allows you access to 70+ museums and attractions and free public transport. Rent a bike. Biking is a popular and practical way to get around Amsterdam, and there are many bike rental shops throughout the city. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the bike lanes and traffic rules before hitting the road. Respect the city's culture and rules. Amsterdam is a city with a rich cultural heritage and a relaxed attitude, but it's important to respect its rules and customs. This includes respecting the rights of cyclists and pedestrians and avoiding loud and disruptive behavior. This 7-day itinerary will give you a taste of Amsterdam's rich history, culture, and beauty and allow you to experience the city like a local. Remember, this is just a sample itinerary, and you can adjust it as per your interests and time. With its close proximity to many of the city's attractions, you won't waste time traveling from place to place, so you'll have more time to enjoy the city and make unforgettable memories. We hope you found this itinerary helpful and that you enjoy your trip to Amsterdam. And don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel for more fun itineraries to destinations around the world.